Hello, welcome to this e-learning module. Sound control. You can use this to adjust the volume settings for this module. Previous button. You can click on this to go to the previous slide. Next button. You can click on this to go to the next slide. Menu.
Hello everybody, I'm Anshu. I welcome you to the training program on fan and blower. This introductory program will let you know about classification of fan and blower, classification of centrifugal fan, working principle of centrifugal fan, types of centrifugal fan, axial fan, working of axial fan, types of axial fan, blower and classification, centrifugal blower, axial blower, difference between fan and blower. This module will enable you to give a briefing about fan and blower, explain about centrifugal fan and types of centrifugal fan, describe about axial fan and types of axial fan, get an overview of blower and classification of blower, differentiate between fan and blower. Let us start the module by a brief introduction on fan and blower. A fan and a blower? Fan and blowers are both mechanical devices that are meant to circulate the air. Although these two terms are often used interchangeably, fans and blowers are quite different from one another, the primary difference being their process of air circulation. Usually, these two devices are used for cooling purposes and ventilation in industries. The fan rotor receives energy from a rotating shaft and transmits it to the air. Fans generate a pressure to move air or gases against a resistance caused by ducts, dampers, or other components in a fan system. A blower is a machine used for moving gas with a moderate increase of pressure, a more powerful fan, if you will. By changing the angle of the blades, a blower will be able to push air in any direction you want it. Now we know exactly what is a fan. Now let us see the types that come under the classification of fans. Fans transfer static and kinetic energy to the air, creating a pressure difference that causes the air to flow. There are two main classes of fans: centrifugal fans and axial fans. Under centrifugal fans, they are again of three types: forward curved, backward curved, and radial. And when talking about axial fans, these are again classified into three types: propeller, vane axial, and tube axial. Let us now know about each type in detail. Known about the classification, let us move on to the first kind of fan, which is centrifugal fan. A centrifugal fan is a mechanical device for moving air or other gases. These fans increase the speed and volume of an airstream with the rotating impellers. Let us get into it more clearly. Centrifugal fans are those which move the air perpendicular to the axis of the shaft about which the fan rotates. In centrifugal flow, airflow changes direction twice, once when entering and second when leaving. Air enters parallel to the axis of the fan and turns through 90 degrees and is discharged radially through the blades. Let us see the working principle of centrifugal fan. It consists of an impeller which has blades fixed between the inner and outer diameters. The impeller can be mounted directly on the shaft extension of the prime mover or separately on a shaft supported between two additional bearings. The centrifugal fan uses the centrifugal power supplied from the rotation of impellers to increase the kinetic energy of air or gases. When the impellers rotate, the gas particles near the impellers are thrown off from the impellers due to centrifugal force. These gas particles then hit the fan casing. As a result, the kinetic energy of gas converted to pressure energy because of the system resistance offered by the casing and duct. The gas is then guided to the exit via outlet ducts. After the gas is thrown off, the gas pressure in the middle region of the impellers decreases. The gas from the impeller eye rushes in to normalize this. This cycle repeats and therefore the gas can be continuously transferred. The ratio of discharge by suction pressure, that is P2 by P1, less than 1.1. As we have clearly seen previously the types of centrifugal fan, let us now discuss each of them individually. Click on each plate to know more. Let us have a look on the characteristics of forward curved blade centrifugal fan. Blades are inclined in the direction of motion of fluid, best suited for medium pressure application with more flow rate. Low speed, which means it does not require high strength design. Relatively small in size compared to other fan types. Power rises continuously. The efficiency ranges from 55 to 65%. As we now got a clear-cut idea about the characteristics, also let us now go through the applications in which it is used. Application: suitable for clean air environment as blades easily accumulate dirt. Well suited for residential heating, ventilation and air conditioning HVAC application. Application that require low to medium air volumes at low pressure. We now clearly understood about forward curved blade centrifugal fan. Now let us see about backward curved blade centrifugal fan. Backward curved blades, as shown in the image, curve against the direction of the fan wheel's rotation. Coming to the characteristics. Characteristics: Blades are inclined opposite to the direction of motion of fluid, can operate with changing static pressure, suitable for high flow, high pressure, and high efficiency. More efficient than forward curved blade. Instability and erosion risk. Power reduces as flow increases beyond point of highest efficiency. Efficiency greater than 85%. As we now got a clear-cut idea about the characteristics, also let us now go through the applications in which it is used. Application: heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC. Various industrial applications. Common application is forced draft fan. The last types of blade is radial blade. As shown below, they have wheels whose blades extend straight out from the center of the hub. Radial bladed wheels are often used on particulate-laden gas streams because they are the least sensitive to solid buildup on the blades, but they are often characterized by greater noise output. Coming to the characteristics. Blades perpendicular to axis of rotation, suitable for high pressures and medium flow rate. Capable of handling high particulate air streams, including dust, wood chips, and metal scraps because the flat blade restricts material buildup. Simple in design with high durability. Can operate safely and quietly even in high vibration condition. Efficiencies up to 75%. And application. Suitable for low or medium airflow rates only. Have large running clearances, which is useful for airborne solids like dust, wood, chips, and metal scraps, handling services. An axial fan is a type of fan that causes gas to flow through it in an axial direction parallel to the shaft about which the blades rotate. The flow is axial at entry and exit. The fan is designed to produce a pressure difference and hence force to cause a flow through the fan. Factors which determine the performance of the fan include the number and shape of the blades. Fans have many applications, including in wind tunnels and cooling towers. Design parameters include power, flow rate, pressure rise, and efficiency. Let us get into the topic more clearly. Axial fans are those which move the airstream along the axis of shaft. Air enters and leaves the fan with no change in direction. Hence, the flow is axial at the entry and exit. Air moves parallel to the shaft about which the blade rotates. Since we have seen what is an axial fan, let us also see the working of the axial fan. Fan blades are rotated at high speed using a prime mover. The fan blades generate an axial fan. Let us also see the working of the axial fan. Fan blades are rotated at high speed using a prime mover. The fan blades generate an aerodynamic lift that pressurizes the air. Air moves along the axis of fan. So, this is what happens in an axial fan. So during learning the topic, have you ever wondered the applications of the axial fan? Let us see the applications. Ventilation. Ventilation fans are used to circulate the air in the buildings or houses. This type of ventilation is known as mechanical ventilation, in which fans or blowers are used to create movement of the air. Exhausts. Exhaust fans work by sucking hot or humid air out of a small localized area, allowing fresh air to enter from elsewhere, perhaps a doorway or vent, in order to replace it. The warm air that's drawn out using an exhaust fan is then pulled through a ducting system and expelled outside. Axial fans are categorized into three types: propeller fan, tube axial fan, vane axial fan. Click the figures of axial fan. Characteristic: tube axial fan have a central hub with small blades mounted on it inside a cylindrical housing. There is close clearance between the wheel and the housing. It has higher efficiency than propeller type. Efficiency is up to 65%. Moderately noisy. Applications: it is suited for medium pressure high airflow rates. HVAC systems. Exhausts. The first type of axial fan is propeller fan. Propeller fans are most commonly used for ventilation or cooling. These fans are often mounted in a wall or ceiling. Characteristic: it consists of wheel with blades mounted on the motor shaft. There is no housing on the outside. A frame holds the whole wheel arrangement. It can reverse the flow direction, and the efficiency is low, which is 50% or less. Bit noisy in operation. Application: it is suited for high airflow at low pressure. Used for air circulation. Also for the purpose of ventilations and exhaust. The last type of fan is vane axial fans, which are designed for high pressure ventilation and industrial process applications where axial flow is desirable and space is at a premium. Characteristics: similarly to tube axial fan, but with addition of guide vanes to improve efficiency. These guide vanes improve efficiency by directing and straightening the flow. Suitable for medium and high pressure applications, which is up to 500 mm WC, which is up to 500 mm WC. Efficiency is up to 85%. Most efficient of all axial fans. Application: it is suited for high pressure applications with medium flow rate. HVAC systems. Exhausts. Blowers provide a steady volume of air to supply energy efficient pressure or vacuum. Air enters at the center of a spinning impeller and is divided between the impeller's vanes. As the impeller turns, it accelerates the air outwards using centrifugal force. Blowers can achieve much higher pressure than fans, as high as 1.2 kg per centimeter square. Also used to produce negative pressures for industrial vacuum system. Into three types: centrifugal blower, axial blower, positive displacement blower. Click on each to know more. Let us start with centrifugal blower. Air enters the blower along the axis of shaft and leaves perpendicular to the axis of shaft. Consists of gear-driven impeller that accelerates the air. Can rotate as fast as 15,000 rpm. Can be single-stage or multi-stage blower. If it consists one impeller, it is known as single-stage blower. If it consists more than one impeller, it is known as multi-stage blower. In multi-stage blower, air is accelerated as it passes through each impeller. In single-stage blower, air does not take many turns, hence it is more efficient. Typically operate at a pressure of 0.35 to 0.7 kg per centimeter square. Airflow drops if the system pressure rises. Often used in system that is non-prone to clogging. Axial blower. Air enters and leaves the blower along the axis of shaft. It consists of a casing fitted with several rows of fixed blades and rotor attached with several rows of moving blades. The fixed and moving blades are placed on alternate rows. The function of the fixed blades is to receive the high-velocity air from the moving blades. Axial flow compressor is also a high-speed machine, and speed may even vary from 10,000 to 30,000 rpm. Pressure ratio of 10:1 can be achieved. To balance axial thrust, balancing drum and balancing piston are provided. Leibran seals are used as a shaft seal in axial blower. It consists of rotor which trap air and push it through the housing. Provide constant volume of airflow even if the system pressure varies. Suitable for applications prone to clogging since they produce enough pressure up to 1.25 kg per centimeter square. Run much slower than centrifugal blower, example 3600 rpm. Often belt driven to facilitate speed changes. Fans and blowers are differentiated by the method used to move the air and by the system pressure they must operate against. As per American Society of Mechanical Engineers, the specific ratio, the ratio of the discharge pressure to the suction pressure, is used for defining the fans and blowers. In the picture, you can clearly see that the specific ratio of fan is up to 1.11 and of blower is 1.11 to 1.2. The pressure rise of fan in millimeter of water column, that is, WC is 1136 and of blower is 1136 to 2066. Now that you have completed the module, don't you think that it's necessary for you to check your knowledge by answering these questions? So let's go ahead and take a small test on this module.